do 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 do. His little tail's wagging. Do 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 do. I love you, Tovin, and if it's quite alright, I love you, Tovin. Throughout those lonely nights, we go walking in the backyard, so you can go poo. It's too good to be true. I got my paws over you. You're so heavenly to pet. He doesn't like going to. Hey everybody, it is day 10 of coronavirus. Dun dun dun! Right, Doran? He wants his avocado. He loves his avocado. Yes, he does. He's a good boy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So how's social distancing going for you? Ay, ay, ay. There. Well, at least I'm getting quality time with the pup. So I heard on the news that the Senate passed the stimulus bill. Just remember, people, when you get that money, if you pay taxes, you're going to have to pay that back one way or another. So yes, I for one am looking forward to getting it because I still really don't know what my employment status is. But yes, I love you too. Yes. Oh yes. To be a dog, at least a dog in our household, spoiled, rotten. Yep. Can you get the $500? Can we get $500 for pooches? Oh, I think so. Yeah. He's such a nut. But remember, when Bush sent out his stimulus and when Obama sent out his, at the end of the year, we had to claim that as income. Yeah, that's right. The only people that don't have to pay it back are people who don't pay taxes. So, if you're one of those people, congratulations, you got $600. So, oh, yes, I love you too. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, Tobin. Hey, everybody. Hey. Oops. Oh, yes. Melissa's doing an awesome job stretching out a turkey breast. I hope you watched the videos. You got the canine coronavirus. Oh. Well, you know what we should call it? The bat virus. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. All right. So, man, he's 1 year old, which is 7, of course, in our years, and he's still eating stuff like a puppy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. What are you eating? Tove, give me it. Give me that. Give me that. You little stinker. There we go. Yeah, I didn't do any videos yesterday because, man, I basically slept all the way to noon. I just did not sleep well the past for a week. Yes, I'm one of those type that can't shut their minds down when they're trying to get to sleep. So that's why there was no video from me for yesterday. But I got good sleep this evening. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. He's eating, or he's chewing on the remnants of one of his stuffed toys, like it's bubble gum. Oh, geez. Well, folks, I guess I'll sign off. I'll have Melissa give her... You didn't eat that. Oh, Tovin, you nut. Yeah, you can always tell Tovin's poop because it's got little pieces of dog toy in it. Oh, come on. My goodness. Yeah. Anywho, as I was saying, yeah, this used to be lamb chop, you know, the little hand puppet. I forget what the lady's name was, but he destroyed that, and what he just swallowed was the foot. Oh, jeez. Not to be too totally disgusting, but you know, when I go out to do poop patrol to scoop his poop out of the backyard, I can always find it because it's multicolored. Yeesh. This dog, he loves eating wood. I've never seen a dog that just loves eating wood. We have to we have to he literally sneaks it into the house. And then I find all these little pieces of wood on the floor. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. I don't know if it's the Australian cattle dog in him or what. But if you see that little basket on our porch filled with twigs and stuff, that's the wood that we've confiscated from him trying to sneak into the house. Yep. He is something else. He's got the stomach of... Watch it, you're gonna ruin the remote. Hoist a puppy. Hoist a puppy. Alright. I guess I'm gonna play with him for a little while. Ta-da-da, it's Tovin. Alright. So, I'm going to hand this off to Melissa, and she can do her day update. It's really, really tough not to get political at this point, but we need to come together and basically help each other. You know, there's all this blame going around, but the only people to blame are the people that are not staying away from each other. All these people that are basically flaunting the this whole thing. Oh, come on. And treating us like a impromptu vacation, and they go out and they party with their friends. Those are the people we should condemn and to ridicule and to public shaming. So if you're a Democrat, Republican, Independent, or Libertarian, we're all in this together. And we just gotta get these hosers. There's a word from the past. Get them to follow suit and help us flatten the curve. All right, guys. I'm going to ramble on and on and on. To you, Melissa. Update on the Berkey water filter. They sent us a replacement top canister because the other one was dented, and they sent us a replacement filter because that one that was there wasn't filtering, but it looks like everything is working fine now.
And considering everything going on, I think we got it pretty quickly.
Yep. So big time thumbs up to Berkey for having great customer service and a really good product.
Absolutely.
So this is an update of our Berkey water filtration system. Yep. Coolio.
Hey, fellow Stonehouse Stoners, Melissa here for Stonehouse Homestead, and I actually come home early from work today because I have a project I'm working on. I got a notification from a friend of mine who's a nurse. She is asking for masks because they're not allowed to take any home from the hospital where she works. And when she's at home, she likes to wear one to protect her family and to protect anybody who may come by. People aren't supposed to be coming by, and they aren't, but she just wants to keep her family safe. So I answered the call and I said, yeah, I'll help you out here. I've got a ton of fabric. I just collect pretty fabric because I like it. So I have a ton of fabric, and it's just taking nothing really more than my time. I have a friend who had the 1/4 inch elastic that you need to use to make these, because that basically is as hot a commodity right now as toilet paper, apparently, because people are making these masks for hospitals. So there's a lot of instructions online on how to make these masks. It's just some tightly woven cotton fabric and some 1/4 inch elastic, white, and the directions on how to sew masks, like I said, are online. There's several tutorials. So if you're interested in finding a way to help, and you are able to sew and have the materials around to do it, I would suggest that you just help out. It kind of reminds me of back during the war efforts, way back when, Civil War, World War I, to knitting socks for the troops. Well, right now our troops are different. Our troops are the medical community, and they are in need. So I'm going to see what I can do to help out a little bit. So also, just to let you know, apparently I found out that some Joann fabric stores, they have curbside pickup, and if they know that you are sewing masks, they are providing free fabric, free elastic, thread, all of that stuff that you might need. Not all Joann's are participating, so you might want to check your local Joann's, but that's really cool. They're providing all of that for free so that we can help out our medical community. So until next time, we will see you later. Just remember to hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, a like, and find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Bye.